What's up, everybody? I'm bringing you another oil life reset. This one's on a 2005 Lexus ES330. You're going to start with the vehicle off. What you're going to do is hold down this button right here and keep it held down. As you turn the key 2 notches over, you don't want to start the car, but you want to turn the car on. And what that's going to do is a little countdown screen here, and then it'll reset the oil life. I'll show you really quickly. So hold down this button, turn the key on, and then you'll see it starting to count down. Once that counts down, you can go ahead and release the button and the oil life will be reset. You can turn the vehicle on and the oil light's gone.